The BC201 Bed and Chair Monitor. Overview. The BC201 Bed and Chair Monitor monitors a bed or chair for occupancy. If a patient tries to leave the bed or chair, the monitor will signal an alarm, notifying you to check the patient immediately. The monitor is compatible with Curbell's corded chair sensor pads, corded bed sensor pads, corded floor mats, corded toilet seat sensor pads, and corded seat belts. This video is intended as a basic introduction to the features and functionality of this monitor. You must read and understand the directions for use supplied with this monitor. Failure to follow all instructions and safety warnings may result in serious injury or death to a patient. In addition, the monitor's quick setup guide and troubleshooting checklist are available on the Curbell Medical website, or you can contact your Curbell sales representative for more information. Powering the monitor. The monitor is battery powered, with the option to plug into AC power using the AC power adapter. Installation of 4 AA alkaline batteries is required, even when using the AC power connection. If using the AC power adapter, the monitor will alarm if the cord is disconnected. The alarm may be cancelled by reinserting the cord or pressing the reset button. Positioning the monitor. Make sure that the monitor is securely mounted to the wheelchair, headboard, footboard, or wall. The monitor can be mounted in several different ways, using the mounting clip on the back of the unit, the Velcro loop, the wall mount screws and sleeves using the keyhole slots, the bed mounting bracket, the magnetic mounting bracket, or the wall mounting bracket. Using the monitor with nurse call. To connect to nurse call, plug one end of the nurse call cable into the monitor's nurse call jack, and the other end into the 1/4 inch jack on the patient station. If the monitor alarms, it will be necessary to reset the monitor and the patient station. The monitor will alarm if the nurse call cord is removed and may be cancelled by pressing the reset button or reinserting the cord into the monitor. Volume control. To turn the volume up, press and hold the volume button. Release the button when the desired volume is reached. To turn volume down, press and release the volume button, then press the button again and hold it. Release it when the desired volume is reached. The volume setting may be turned off completely only if the nurse call cable is plugged into the monitor's nurse call jack. The pause function. The pause feature prevents the monitor from alarming for 30 seconds when pressing the reset button while, for example, the caregiver takes the patient out of bed. To activate this feature, turn the pause on-off switch located in the battery compartment to on. Press the reset button to enter the 30-second pause mode. During the 30-second pause mode, the patient may be removed from the pad or the seatbelt may be unfastened during this period without activating an alarm. If the patient returns back to the pad, or if the seatbelt is refastened, it will end the pause mode immediately and the monitor system will reactivate. Otherwise, the monitor will go into a sleep mode and not reactivate until the patient has been placed back on the pad or the seatbelt has been refastened. Delay control. The delay switch controls the amount of time between when the patient removes themselves off the pad and when the monitor alarms. This can reduce the number of false alarms if, for example, the patient momentarily shifts off and then back onto the pad within the set delay time. Set the delay switch to the desired time of 0, 2, or 4 seconds. Using the monitor with a corded sensor pad. If using the pad for the first time, write the put into use date on the pad and, if applicable, the expiration date. Lay the sensor pad completely flat, positioned where the buttocks of the patient will be placed, with the pad stem coming out of the back of the chair or side of the bed. Plug the sensor cord into the monitor sensor jack. Run the sensor's cord around the strain relief to help prevent tension damage to the cord and input jack. The monitor will alarm if the cord is disconnected and may be cancelled by pressing the reset button or reinserting the cord into the monitor. Using a call cord with the monitor. When connected to the monitor, a call cord allows the patient to activate the monitor alarm and, if connected, place a call to the nurse's station. Insert a 1/4 inch call cord plug into the monitor jack labeled call cord. Press the call cord button to activate an alarm. Press the reset button to cancel the alarm. If connected to nurse call, you will also be required to reset the nurse call station. The monitor will alarm if the call cord is removed and may be cancelled by pressing the reset button or reinserting the call cord plug into the monitor. The low battery alarm. When the batteries need replacing, the monitor will automatically activate an alarm notification. The alarm may be temporarily cancelled by pressing the reset button to allow time for continued use until the batteries are replaced. The replace pad alarm. The timed pads have an internal clock that will count down the life of the pad only when the pad is connected or synchronized to the monitor and pressure is applied to the pad. The monitor will automatically activate an alarm notification to replace the pad at the end of its life. The monitor alarm may be temporarily cancelled by pressing the reset button to allow time for temporary use until the pad is replaced. Cleaning and care. Cleaning and disinfecting between patients according to facility guidelines and protocol is recommended. Use a damp cloth. Clean with a non-aggressive disinfectant cleaner and do not submerge in any liquid. When placing the monitor out of service, visually inspect the monitor and sensor for physical damage. If damage is noted, remove it from service. Disconnect all cords and lay sensor pads flat.